Hello friends, in our previous video we did the sums of distance formula. Today again we'll do the practice of the same. Here second question says prove that the points A 2, 3, B 5, 6 and C 8, 9 are collinear. The 3 points lie on the same line. This we have to prove. To prove the collinearity, we have to prove that the distance between AB plus BC is equal to the distance between AC. Means we will calculate the three distances AB, BC, AC, and then if the sum of any two distances is equal to the third distance, then the points are collinear, otherwise not. Let us check in the present sum. Here solution: A is 2, 3, B is 5, 6, C is 8, 9. So using the distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the square root, we calculate first distance AB. For AB, abscissa are 5 and 2, their difference and whole square, plus ordinates, the y values, they will be 6 minus 3 whole square under square root. It gives 3 square plus 3 square under root is equal to 9 plus 9 under the root, means 18 square root, and then we have to make the factors of the term 18. It is 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 3 comes out of the under root sign and we have the distance AB is equal to 3 under root 2. Now we find the next distance BC. For BC, abscissa are 8 and 5. We write their difference. Ordinates are 6 and 9, their difference and under root sign. Here we get 3 square plus 3 square again. It is equal to under root 9 plus 9, means under root 18, and this is 3 into 3 into 2 as done for the distance AB. Same method. It is equal to distance BC is equal to 3 under root 2. And finally the third side CA. CA distance abscissa is 2 and 8, their difference, and ordinate values, the y values, they are 3 and 9. We write their difference also and we get 8 minus 2 is 6 square plus 9 minus 3 is 6 square under square root is equal to 36 plus 36 under root, it is 72, and making the factors of 72 we get 6 into 6 into 2. 6 6 are 36 into 2 72 under root. Taking 6 outside the under root, we get distance CA is equal to 6 under root 2. Now, the 3 points A, B, C are collinear if, as we said earlier, AB plus BC distance is equal to AC distance. Here AB plus BC is 3 under root 2 plus 3 under root 2. We put the values. It is equal to 6 under root 2 and it is CA distance AC. So AB plus BC is equal to AC. Therefore, we will say that the 3 points are collinear, means ABC lie on same line. Now we move on to the next question. Example number 3. Show that the points A 1, 4, B 6, 1 and C 6, 4 form a triangle. Here 3 points make a triangle and not lie on the same line. Here the starting is same. We have to calculate all the 3 distances AB, BC and CA, and the condition to make the triangle is that the sum of any two distances will be greater than the third distance. Let us see how. First we write the distance formula. D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Then to calculate distance AB, we have x coordinates 6 minus 1 whole square, and y coordinates 1 minus 4 whole square under the square root. It is equal to 5 square plus minus 3 square under root is equal to 25 plus 9 square root. It is equal to 34 under the root, and the approximate value of under root 34 is 5.83. This is distance AB. Now we calculate BC. Subtracting the x values of B and C, we get 6 minus 6 whole square, and y values of B and C, it is 4 minus 1 whole square under root is equal to 0 square plus 3 square. Doing the subtraction under the root is equal to 0 is 0 plus 3 square is 9 under the root, means it is equal to 3. Distance BC becomes 3. Finally, CA distance is under root 6 minus 1 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square is equal to 5 square plus 0 square under root. This is equal to 5. Distance CA is 5. Now we pick up any two distances. Suppose second and third. It is 3 plus 5, 8. It is more than the first distance 5.383. Similarly, now we pick up distance first and second. Its sum will be 8.83. It is greater than the third distance CA 5. In this way, we can say that from these distances, the sum of any two distance is greater than the third distance. So these points form a triangle. Now we proceed further. Example 4. Show that the points 3, 4, 6, 1, 8, 3 and 5, 6 are the vertices of a rectangle. And to make this a rectangle, we have to prove that the opposite sides of rectangle are of equal measure. Their size is equal. Means again the sum is of distance formula, and we have to calculate all the four distances AB, BC, CD, DA. We calculate them one by one. Distance AB is equal to 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square is equal to under root of 3 square plus minus 3 square is equal to under root 9 plus 9, means under root 18, and it is equal to, after factorization, 3 under root 2. Similarly, distance BC is equal to under root of 8 minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square under root is equal to 2 square plus 2 square under root, means 4 plus 4 under the square root. It becomes under root 8, means after factorization 2 under root 2. Third distance is distance CD. The same method, x2 minus x1 whole square is 5 minus 8 whole square, and plus y2 minus y1 whole square gives 6 minus 3 whole square. It means the distance CD is under root of minus 3 square plus 3 square is equal to 9 plus 9 under root, that is under root 18, and factorization gives distance CD is equal to 3 under root 2. Similarly, we find out the distance of fourth side AD, that is equal to under root 5 minus 3 whole square plus 6 minus 4 whole square. This becomes under root 2 square plus 2 square is equal to under root 4 plus 4 equal to under root 8, and it is 2 into 2 into 2. Therefore, 2 comes outside, 2 under root 2. The fourth distance is 2 under root 2. And from here, all the four distances, we see that the distance AB and CD, they have the value 3 under root 2, and distance BC and AD, they have got the same value 2 under root 2. It means the length of opposite sides AB and CD and BC and AD, opposite sides have same measure. It means ABCD is a rectangle. So friends, in today's video we did only the distance formula, but the question asked was collinearity, making of triangle or a rectangle. So do practice of these sums from your course book also, and for any type of queries, write to us in our comment box. Also, subscribe our channel and press the bell button for the notification of our next videos. That is all for today friends. Work hard and stay healthy. Bye bye.